Choosing Lakas Tomasino Coalition is one of the best decisions that I've made in life.
We share, we value, we lead, we unite, and we develop.
We inspire, we touch lives, we serve, we care, and we deliver.
We lead, we give, we reach out, we develop potentials, we create the future.
We conquer, we serve what you deserve.
We serve, we lead, we empower.